What is an RSU? How can they impact your finances and ability to get a home loan? These are important things to know if you are being offered an RSU at a new job, are thinking about refinancing your home, or want to buy a home. So what is an RSU? RSU stands for Restricted Stock Unit. RSUs are a promise by an employer to give someone shares of a stock in the future, at least if certain achievements are made and you stick around long enough. RSUs are typically converted to stock over time in parts. This vesting may happen annually or every few years. Why employers use RSUs? 1. To make lean salary packages more attractive. 2. To maintain stronger finances on paper for raising more capital. And 3. For motivating workers to work extremely hard. RSUs and your money. One day your RSUs could be worth millions if your company becomes the next Facebook. Or if the company fails, your RSUs could be worth nothing. If they do vest, you can potentially enjoy ongoing dividends or cashing them out for a lump sum. RSUs and your house payments. If your RSUs haven't vested yet, then you may be able to afford a lot more house in a few years. To bridge that gap, you may want to either A, buy a less expensive home and use the appreciating equity for a larger down payment later, or B, use an adjustable rate loan to keep your payments low for now, or C, choose an interest-only loan. Some of the risks of holding RSUs include, well, they can be highly volatile. They can be taxed heavily when vested. There's no control over their value and performance. Are just a promise until they are actually vested? And they mean your income and investments are all relying on this company. If they have vested, you may find it beneficial to cash out your shares and use that towards a larger down payment on your home. RSUs and getting a mortgage loan. Many traditional banks don't understand RSUs and won't help you to use them to qualify for a home loan. A mortgage broker may be able to connect you with more options, which enable you to get better home loans and a larger loan by using your RSUs to qualify. However, due to the risks above, it's important to know that mortgage underwriters have to mark down the potential value of your RSU. For example, you may only get credited 75% of their value, much like rental property income. For help understanding how much of a home loan your RSUs can qualify you for, get in touch with us today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, if it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We produce weekly videos on content specific to the Seattle real estate market. If you have any questions on anything we've covered in this episode or any others on our channel, give us a call or visit our website. We'll see you next time.